Hey everybody, it's Rob Essler again. Now that we've learned a few things about audio programming and how to work with Pd4P3 and processing, I have a challenge for you. So the challenge is to make a really simple ocean maker that does something like this. So you should hear the ocean. And we'll just control it with the mouse. And yeah, I know it's not a perfect ocean sound, but the idea is just to work with a few objects in the library. So I'll give you some hints. You're going to need a noise generator. You're going to need your filters. So in Pd4P3 there are a couple of filters. There's the BandPass filter, LowPass filter, HighPass filter, and if you want to get real crazy, there's something called the BiQuad where you can make custom filters. And if you want to get real crazy, there's things called C-pole, complex pole, complex reverse zero, complex zero, real, all sorts of, if you're familiar with that world from the PD world, you can certainly make as complex of a filter as you like. Now, just stick with BandPass, LowPass, and HighPass, and our noise generator, and you should be fine. And I'll just leave it at that and see what you can come up with. Can you make an ocean sounding sketch when you move the mouse across it? And we'll leave it at that. And I'll give you now the solution on the next video. Thanks for watching.